Fantom, I choose you! Hello friends, this is Bo from Potluck Protocol. Today's topic is really vibrant. We're gonna have a close look on Fantom network. If you are wondering whether the recent Fantom price increase was just a hype, or it will expand further, if you want to learn what's special about this chain, here is clear and profound summary. Firstly, we'll have a brief overview of technical side, then go to Fantom ecosystem, and of course compare it with other prominent chains on the market, like Binance, Ethereum, Avalanche, and some more. For the dessert, Fantom price prediction and its prospects in the near future. A quick reminder, I won't claim any chain to be the best and others being lame. There's a great deal of competition and development going on in cryptosphere, and that's really awesome. Also, I focus on decentralized finance in my comparison. So, let's go fellas. Fantom is a layer 1 blockchain that supports the creation of multiple execution chains. In other words, it enables smart contracts and running other applications on the network. Smart contracts are widely considered to be a rocket fuel feature for the whole crypto industry, so this is definitely a plus. Fantom-based consensus layer called Lattices is an advanced version of blockchain using algorithm based on DAG, directed acyclic graph. If you are not much into math, we can visualize classic blockchain as a chain of blocks, one by one, with each dependent on the previous. While DAG looks more like a multi-lane highway, where blocks move with different speed and not by one same road. In the process of chain creation, some of its blocks are already connected with an edge, but some are not. Lattice's consensus brings them all together in the end, also monitoring faulty nodes to prevent a fork. Such architecture is pretty fault resistant. Also, it doesn't need mining, therefore it's a proof of stake consensus. Though it's considered less decentralized than classic blockchain like Bitcoin, Fantom Foundation worked on this matter. Now there are 59 validators on the chain. With all of that combined, Fantom gets advantages which are crucial for platform daily usage. It's stable, really fast, transactions are confirmed in 1 or 2 seconds, and fees are nicely low. Besides, Fantom says that it has solved Ethereum's scalability problem by giving each application its own blockchain. Speaking of Ethereum, Fantom supports the Ethereum virtual machine. In this regard, it's also close to BSC. Smart contracts on these 3 chains are practically similar, programmed with Solidity. Even the addresses can be the same on ETH, BSC and Fantom. Why is it important? Ethereum today is an absolute leader as a smart contracts platform, and Binance Smart Chain holds second place. Being compatible with market leaders is a considerable advantage, as projects have more opportunities like going cross-chain. Unified programming language also plays its part. The history tells us that standardization is a huge thing in industry. The issue of usage brings us right to ecosystems. Fantom may be booming now, but its main chain went live in December 2019, so since then it was successfully operating and developing. Backed by the native FTM token for staking, governance, payments and network fees, the projects keep coming. DeFi sector on Fantom draws attention in particular. There are some native projects like SpookySwap and SpiritSwap, which climbed to DeFi top list by total value locked in general. Moreover, emerging dApps build unique features on the chain. Take a look at our project, Potluck Protocol for instance, with focus on gaming and leverage trading. I know guys, all this sounds engaging and generally verifies Fantom to be a solid nice chain. But what about future prospects? Are there gains ahead? Well, no one can predict future precisely, but let's take a look on hard statistics in comparison with other chains to see whether Fantom has more room to grow. Simply judging by the market cap, we see that Fantom is still far behind his competitors, like Polygon, Algorand, Avalanche and Terra, not to mention Solana, Binance and Ethereum. But as we mentioned earlier, Fantom's main superpower is that it works and is comfortable to use. So let's get to another more utility-oriented chart. Gross value locked on smart contract platforms. Well, Ethereum and BSC are top dogs obviously. But here we can see that Fantom is just picking the pace in adoption, starting to outperform Polygon and getting really close to Avalanche. To highlight the connection between 2 indicators, we'll go to defiyama.com. Here we have a clear visual on the ratio between TVL and total market cap. Relatively speaking, adoption and usage versus current market valuation. And here's the thing. Even after doubling in price, Fantom has the lowest ratio among top 10 chains, and one of the lowest in general. So, in comparison to other chains, Fantom value appears to be quite lower than it should. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's a really interesting situation, and it clearly favors the bulls, not the bears. All in all, Fantom chain looks promising, and if you don't know what to do with it, I'll give a hint. Right now, there are really juicy returns on farming and staking in a number of projects on Fantom, including Potluck Protocol. It won't last forever, as halving happens not only in Bitcoin. But as I've said, if you want to have steady passive income and don't possess millions, now is the moment. You can check farming on our project, Potluck Protocol. If you are afraid, well, we've been audited by 2 respectable entities and have much to offer. Take a look, you won't regret it. As for the prospects of Potluck, watch this video to learn about our tokens on Fantom and BSC and see for yourself. If you'd like more info about DeFi sphere, click the subscribe button. And for now, stay well and alive. Goodbye.